I kind of been on a tear lately about automation and how automation causes problems, and also been going on a rant about the human elements of the job within your career in IT and in medicine. We have a lot of individuals that try to put in shortcuts. If not shortcuts, they try to make their job a little easier by getting rid of like tedious work, redundant work, and things of that nature. And that's all cool. We all want to find different ways and avenues to make our job easier. But the specific employee at this job called Cleaver, he was doing his job. He got really good at it. He was doing data entry, and we all know what data. Maybe we don't know what all data entry is, but data entry is this tedious job where you're looking at a spreadsheet, where you're looking down at a sheet of paper, and you just constantly doing a keypad or whatever the case may be, whatever you choose to use, and you're putting in information, whether it's numbers, whether it's letters, whatever that may be. You're putting in this information on a computer, and this data entry obviously goes into a database or goes to a CRM or something along those lines to be saved. Well, this individual found a way to make his job easier, and he created a system to where it would automate and make his job easier. The data entry would cost him minutes and hours upon hours and upon hours to do. And after 6 months, for whatever reason, something went bad, something went wrong. And when something went wrong, something went bad, guess what? The practice of him putting in the data entry, the practice of him doing the job over and over again, and the mental work and the mental process that he went through, he completely forgot how to do this job. He completely forgot how to do his job. It's kind of like when you was in school and you was working on, I guess, an algebra problem, and you had y equals mx plus b. That's the linear equation. I still remember that. I was pretty good at math. When you do something over and over and over again, you remember certain details. You remember things that like stick. It becomes automatic. Whether you shooting, performing tasks with your hands, or whether you doing archery, or whether you fishing, or whether you shooting a basketball, whether you're throwing a football, there's certain things that you do in your life, or let's just say you're doing crochet, whatever that is, you've done so many times, it becomes natural. You've done it over and over again. Well, it's data entry, the same thing. If you do something over and over again, after a period of time, it becomes a habit. But when you don't do something long enough, you tend to forget, and you get a little rusty. So this particular individual, again, lost a trait, lost a skill, and it went bad. When it went bad, he couldn't figure out how to get it, processed and get it fixed. These are things that happen in everyday life. We have logistics operations. We have engineers, things of that nature. Like all this automation, when it breaks, who's going to fix it? Can we fix it? This is all I'm trying to say, is that the human element still needs to be there. The human element has to be able to find the problem. We can't necessarily rely on IT or computers to fix everything for us. And at the same time, we need to know how to do the things ourselves. This is just kind of something I wanted to talk and discuss about, but this is something that came up just recently, and I wanted to report on it. Again, this is Terrence Brunson. Go ahead first. Automation is cool. Automation is good. But when automation goes bad, you need the human element to go and find the problem and fix it. We need to know how to do it. Give me some thoughts. Give me some feedback. Thank you again for all your support. And you all have a blessed night, blessed day, and blessed evening. Thanks.